Hey everyone, Mike Campbell with Rekluse here in Boise, Idaho. We're going to go over free play gain today. Free play gain is a Rekluse specific term, not to be confused with free play. If you have a Rekluse auto clutch, they're all checked the same way. So what is free play gain? Free play gain is a physical measurement of where the pressure plate is as opposed to the clutch pack. This works off of centrifugal force. So when you crack the throttle, this guy spins up, these weighted wedges expand out. That lifts the pressure plate and the throw out is allowed to follow it. That's what allows your lever to actually jump in towards you. So we're looking for roughly 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch of free play gain depending on the model. Okay, so when checking free play gain, first and foremost, always make sure the motorcycle is in neutral. If you try to check free play gain while the bike is in gear, the bike will try to take off on you. So first and foremost, make sure the motorcycle is in neutral. Next, we want you to give it a good healthy rev. You don't need to hit the rev limiter by any means, but a good healthy rev, 5,000 plus RPMs, is going to show you how much free play gain the motorcycle has. When you purchase our kits brand new, they're going to come with a rubber band. Some are going to come with a black band, some are going to come with an orange band. Depends if it's cable or hydraulic. This is to help you look for that free play gain initially, but we do want you to get good at checking it with your hand because these will eventually wear out. All right, so here we're going to go through how to check the free play gain with using the rubber band first. So you're going to set it over the grip like this, pull it through the bottom right here, give it a good stretch there and right on the end. Again, make sure the motorcycle is in neutral. Good healthy rev, 5,000 plus RPMs. So we're looking for roughly 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch of free play gain depending on the model. Reference your Rekluse install manual for your specific make, model, and year to determine the amount of free play gain required. Make sure you let the motorcycle return all the way back down to an idle before you rev it up again. Free play gain will decrease with normal clutch pack wear over time. By checking free play gain often, you will notice the lever moves less when enough wear has occurred and an adjustment is necessary. Not all models will the clutch lever return all the way back out to its original position, so sometimes you do have to push the clutch lever back out to its original position. Now we're going to show you how to check it by hand. You're doing the exact same thing a rubber band was doing, which is keeping constant tension on the lever. I like to grab underneath the lever. It just helps me see the free play gain a little bit easier. So again, pull the free play out of the clutch so it just gets to the point where you're just about to actually start pulling the clutch lever in. Give it that healthy rev. Thanks everyone for tuning in. That's how we check free play gain in all these different motorcycles. Doesn't matter if it's cable, hydraulic, V-twin, adventure, they're all checked the same way. So let's make sure we check our free play gain before each ride. That's how we're gonna have a better adventure.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.